is fresh baked. That's the Pirates of the Caribbean right now. It's looking pretty healthy. This is probably 30 or 40 minutes at least. So let's get all of these muffins in this line. We're gonna fill up a pirate's boat.
Bye, fresh baked.
Mario and Kitty gotta go bye-bye. See you guys. Fresh baked. The group is so big that you can see the front of our group. Hey, look, there's a ninja from way back here, and there's more. There's more behind us too. There's like more. Hey, there's Rich. Oh my God, you guys! There's so many people here going on a ride with us. See, there's fresh muffins. Muffins. He's got a muffin. There's muffins up there.
Is that fresh baked?
I didn't get any high fives. Somebody give me high fives.
She looked like threatened at our number.
What's happening?
Ryan was like, 19, and she was like, I'm gonna need everybody to come here.
Well, I'm sure they've had parties of 19 before.
We can't be the first.
We're gonna get in row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We might get us all in there.
I think we're gonna get a boat.
Sarah, we did it. We completed a fresh baked goal. Fresh baked goals.
We've talked about this.
We've talked about this for a long time, fresh baked. For real. We're gonna fill a boat with muffins. A whole boat. Hello, fresh baked. Okay. Okay, well, we did get a fresh boat, so that's all right.
Okay.
They're very rare. Look at how rare they are.
Oh, right there. There's a cast member right there, yeah. I didn't know they could move that fast. Whose birthday is it?
I don't know what I'm singing to.
This boat is out of control.
Wow, what have we done?
What have we done?
What have we done?
I feel like we're gonna sink a boat.
But really, I know we can't see anything right now, sir, but this is kind of neat
I have this really bad
that we've got so many muffins in the boat.
I am fascinated with how many muffins we have right now.
I don't even know what to expect for the next 15 minutes.
It's gonna be hard.
I'm kind of worried.
You know what's funny? I'm almost overwhelmed.
I know,
When am
right?
I overwhelmed? I'm never.
There are 19 of us in this boat. And look, here's the guy. It's gonna happen right now, Fresh Oh my God, I'm wet.
I'm so cold.
Dude, I just got splashed out. Nobody knows the words. I can't even handle this right now. Okay, hey, we gotta go back and do it again, but you guys gotta learn the words first, okay? Go learn the words to the song.
Drinking yourself to death.
Tales there be a plenty.
Bones is leather.
towards your superstructure. Come on now. We'll anchor now, you swabbies. What be I offered for this winsome land? Stout tartars and corn cashew.
Fool am I, dead by gum. Search all you want, Captain Jack Sparrow. You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here man.
That's a good lad. Come on now. Oh, steady now, steady. Yeah, that's it. Come on, fish running there. Oh, steady. It's us what needs your running out, not them blasted lovers.
Some of the stuff and we got more expenses. Bring up, we are yo, a virus life for me. A toast to virus and its many shiny rewards. As a career, what could be more rewarding? Bring up, we are
That little 2-foot drop just created a wave.
That's never happened before.
You can see the water accumulating right here. Well, anyway, that was fun. First big muffins are a bunch of dorks. Look at. Ryan, you have so much water on you.
My shoes are so these are action shoes. It's uncomfortable.
Expect to get drenched on pirates.
No, not like this.
We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out our Secrets in History videos, or maybe our ride-throughs, or you can just watch all of our weekly trip reports and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. It truly is the best of Disney Baked Fresh Daily. Oh, and don't forget, you can support Fresh Baked through our Patreon campaign, link below. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Fresh Baked! That's where you're supposed to sit. Or did he tag you? Oh, you got you already? Well, you're really bad at those games, Sarah.